So here we are again, derivatives. Now we have to do product rule. Again, we've done this before, but now we have trig functions and exponential functions and natural logs. It's not too bad. Okay, so I have my f of x function is going to be x. And I have my g of x function is going to be tangent of x. So f prime, or the derivative of x function right here, is 1. Remember that the derivative of a linear function is always the slope, so the slope of just x is just 1. All right. The derivative of tangent is, right there, secant squared. Secant squared. All right. Now we can start and we're going to apply those rules right there. So h prime of x calls for f is right there, x times the derivative of g, which is secant squared of x, plus function g, tangent, and then times f prime is 1. Okay. And you can leave it like this, and that's beautiful. It's not too bad, is it? Okay. Again, my f function is x cubed. G function is e to the power of x. Exponential that we just covered a couple days ago. Derivative of x cubed is 3x2. If you can't remember this, so many days ago, I'll just review real quick. So the exponent goes in the front, multiplying, and then you drop one of the exponent right there. So from 3 goes down to 2. The derivative of e to the power of x, we did that right there a couple days ago. The derivative is just e to the power of x. Okay. H prime is f, so x cubed, times g prime, it's right there, plus g times f prime right there. I'm just going to rewrite this because I don't like the 3 in the back. I like the 3 to be right there. It's not wrong if you leave it like this, though. Just looks better. So 3, you can do 3x squared and then e to the power of x. I just like the leading coefficient when I have a number right there to be in the front, not in the middle. Okay. Another one. F of x is x to the 4th. G of x, cosine of x. F prime. So it's 4. So the exponent goes to the front. That makes that 4. And then you subtract 1 from the exponent. That makes 3. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. Right there. Now that we have everything we need, we just bring it all together. So f is x to the 4th. G prime is negative sine of x plus g. G is cosine of x. F prime is 4x cubed. I will rewrite this just to look better. So the negative goes in the front. So negative x to the 4th power sine of x plus 4x cubed cosine of x. Now I have this guy right here. So f of x is x to the fourth. G of x is natural log of x. F prime, right there. And then from yesterday, the derivative of a natural log is just 1 over x. And after you've done this a couple times, you're going to know this by heart. So 1 over x. So h prime, f is right there, times g prime, 1 over x, plus g times f prime. We're going to clean this up. So applying the laws of exponents, when I divide the same base, I subtract the exponent. So I have 4, take away 1, there's an invisible 1 right there. So that makes that x to the third power plus, I'm going to put this in the front, 4x cubed natural log of x. One more just because. Okay. F of x is x squared. G of x. Now log base 4 of x. F prime, 2x. If you want to choose to write the 1 here, you can. It's not wrong. It just looks funny. And right here, when you're finding the derivative of a logarithm from yesterday's notes, it's 1 over x, and then it's natural log of whatever the base was. So I'm applying this rule from yesterday. So 1 over x, natural log of the base, and that was 4. Okay. So f, right there, x squared. G prime, right there. Plus g times f prime. We have to simplify that. X squared divided by x is just x. Everything else remains in the denominator. And here I'm just going to move the 2x in the front. It's not wrong if you leave it like this, though. I just like the leading coefficient to be in the front. Looks better. That's all. Have fun.